Most people get this wrong. They think all DeFi platforms are the same, but Curve Finance focuses on stablecoin trading and low slippage swaps, which makes it unique in the decentralized finance ecosystem. Here's my experience using it. Curve Finance allows you to swap stablecoins like UST, and DAI with minimal fees. The interface shows pools, liquidity, and real-time rates. You can also provide liquidity to earn rewards in CRV tokens. For example, I added liquidity to the UST/US pool and started earning interest almost immediately. The platform is secure and widely used in DeFi, with strong auditing and a large community. However, it assumes users are familiar with crypto wallets and DeFi basics. You need a wallet like MetaMask and some ETH for gas fees to interact with smart contracts. The surprising truth is how efficient Curve is for stablecoin trading. Traditional exchanges often have higher fees or slippage, but Curve's pools minimize these issues. On the downside, rewards and yield fluctuate with market conditions, so it's not risk-free. In conclusion, Curve Finance is excellent for users looking to trade stablecoins or earn yield in DeFi efficiently. If you're comfortable with crypto wallets and smart contracts, it's a platform worth exploring. Subscribe for more honest DeFi platform reviews and tips to navigate the crypto space safely.